A new dawn, unveiling the iPhone 16. The iPhone 16 is finally here. Apple's latest flagship phone boasts some exciting upgrades. It's sleek, powerful, and packed with features that promise to elevate the user experience. Let's dive in and see what this new iPhone brings to the table. The iPhone 16 series introduces two models, the iPhone 16 and the iPhone 16 Pro. We'll be focusing on the base model iPhone 16 in this review. Stay tuned for our in-depth look at the iPhone 16 Pro coming soon. Design and display, familiar yet refined. The iPhone 16 retains the flat-edge design language of its predecessor. It's a design that has become synonymous with modern iPhones. Apple has refined it further in the iPhone 16. The bezels around the display are now noticeably thinner. This gives the phone a more immersive viewing experience. The iPhone 16 boasts a 6.1-inch Super Retina XDR display. The display is bright, sharp, and offers excellent color accuracy. Whether you're browsing the web, watching videos, or playing games, the iPhone 16's display is a treat for the eyes. It's protected by Apple's ceramic shield, which makes it incredibly resistant to scratches and cracks. Performance: the A17 Bionic, a speed demon unleashed. At the heart of the iPhone 16 lies the all-new A17 Bionic chip. This is Apple's most powerful chip yet, and it shows. The A17 Bionic delivers blazing fast performance and improved energy efficiency. Apps launch instantly, games run smoothly, and multitasking is a breeze. The A17 Bionic is built on a more efficient 3-nanometer process. This means it can deliver more power while consuming less battery. This translates to a smoother and more responsive user experience. It also contributes to the iPhone 16's impressive battery life. Section 4. Camera and software. Capturing moments, enhancing experiences. Apple has always been at the forefront of mobile photography. The iPhone 16 continues this tradition with a significantly improved camera system. It features a new 48-megapixel main camera sensor that captures stunning detail and vibrant colors. The low-light performance has also been enhanced, allowing you to take incredible photos even in challenging lighting conditions. The iPhone 16 runs on iOS 18, the latest version of Apple's mobile operating system. iOS 18 introduces new features and refinements that further enhance the user experience. There's a greater emphasis on personalization and widgets. The new focus modes let you customize your phone's behavior based on your current activity. Section 5. Verdict. Is the iPhone 16 worth your hard-earned cash? The iPhone 16 is another excellent release from Apple. It offers a compelling package of design, performance, camera capabilities, and software features. The A17 Bionic chip sets a new standard in mobile performance. The upgraded camera system captures stunning photos and videos. Starting at $799, the iPhone 16 is competitively priced for the value it offers. If you're using an iPhone 13 or older, the iPhone 16 is a worthy upgrade. You'll be blown away by the performance improvements, the camera quality, and the overall refinement of the user experience.